Did you know that the automotive industry is responsible for generating over 200 million tons of waste annually? What if I told you that some of that waste could be transformed into the cars of tomorrow? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of eco-friendly car materials and how they are revolutionizing the automotive industry. So, let's get started. Chapter 1. The Plastic Revolution. In recent years, the automotive industry has turned its attention to recycled plastics as a viable material for car interiors. Manufacturers are now using materials derived from plastic bottles, which not only reduces waste but also lowers production costs. The shift towards recycled plastics is a response to the growing awareness of environmental issues and the need to find sustainable alternatives to traditional materials. This transition is not just about being trendy, it is a crucial step towards a more sustainable future. Using recycled plastics can cut down on the need for virgin materials, which often require significant energy and resources to produce. For example, Ford has been using recycled plastic bottles in the production of their Ford Explorer models, incorporating around 25 recycled bottles into each vehicle's interior. This innovative approach not only helps in waste reduction, but also showcases how large manufacturers can lead the way in sustainability. The environmental benefits of utilizing recycled plastics are substantial. By employing these materials, manufacturers can help reduce the carbon footprint of vehicle production. According to a report, using recycled materials can save up to 60% of the energy typically required for producing new plastics. This energy reduction translates into fewer greenhouse gas emissions, making a significant impact on the environment. Chapter 2. The shift to natural fibers. As the demand for sustainable materials grows, manufacturers are exploring natural fibers like hemp, jute, and flax. These materials are not only biodegradable, but also possess impressive strength and durability. The automotive industry is beginning to recognize the potential of these natural materials, which offer a refreshing alternative to traditional synthetic options. Hemp, in particular, stands out due to its rapid growth and minimal need for pesticides. It can absorb carbon dioxide during its growth cycle, making it a carbon-negative option. Companies like BMW have started using hemp in their vehicle interiors, showcasing its potential. Hemp fibers are not only strong, but also lightweight, which can contribute to better fuel efficiency in vehicles. The incorporation of hemp into car interiors represents a significant step towards a more sustainable automotive industry. Natural fibers offer several advantages that make them appealing to manufacturers and consumers alike. They are renewable resources that can be cultivated without harming the environment. Additionally, natural fibers provide a unique texture and look, appealing to eco-conscious consumers who appreciate the aesthetic qualities of sustainable materials. The rise of natural fibers in automotive manufacturing reflects a broader trend in consumer preferences, where sustainability is becoming a key factor in purchasing decisions. As more manufacturers recognize the benefits of natural fibers, we can expect to see an increase in their use in automotive applications. This shift not only supports environmental sustainability, but also enhances the overall consumer experience. The combination of aesthetics and eco-friendliness is a winning formula in today's market. Chapter 3. Innovative composites. The automotive industry is not just sticking to one type of sustainable material. Instead, it is blending various materials to create innovative composites. For instance, manufacturers are combining recycled plastics with natural fibers to enhance strength and durability. This approach allows for the creation of materials that not only meet performance standards, but also align with sustainability goals. A great example of this innovation is the use of biocomposite materials in the production of car dashboards and door panels. These composites can be made from a mix of recycled plastics and natural fibers, resulting in a lightweight yet robust product. The blending of materials allows manufacturers to leverage the strengths of each component, creating products that are both functional and environmentally friendly. These innovative materials do not compromise safety. In fact, they can enhance performance by providing better insulation and noise reduction, making for a more comfortable ride. As consumers become more aware of the environmental impact of their choices, the demand for vehicles made with sustainable materials is likely to increase. Manufacturers who embrace this trend can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. The future of automotive materials lies in innovation and creativity. By exploring new combinations of materials, manufacturers can develop products that meet the evolving needs of consumers while also addressing environmental concerns. This commitment to innovation will be crucial as the industry moves towards a more sustainable future. Chapter 4. The role of technology. Technology plays a crucial role in the evolution of eco-friendly car materials. Innovations in material science have led to the development of bio-based plastics and advanced composites that perform as well as, if not better than, traditional materials. As research and development continue to advance, the possibilities for sustainable materials in the automotive industry are expanding. One exciting area of development is 3D printing technology. This technology allows manufacturers to create parts using recycled materials with minimal waste. By utilizing 3D printing, companies can produce components on demand, reducing the need for large inventories and cutting down on excess production. This process not only saves resources, but also enables more efficient production methods. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sustainable materials to emerge. Researchers are exploring options like algae-based plastics and mycelium composites as potential game changers in the automotive sector. These materials offer unique properties that could revolutionize the way vehicles are manufactured, further pushing the boundaries of sustainability. The integration of technology in the automotive industry is not just about improving efficiency. It is also about reimagining what is possible. By embracing new materials and production methods, manufacturers can create vehicles that are not only environmentally friendly, but also innovative and appealing to consumers. The future of eco-friendly car materials is bright, and technology will play a pivotal role in shaping that future. Chapter 5. Consumer demand and market trends. As awareness of environmental issues rises, consumers are increasingly demanding sustainable products. The automotive industry is responding to this demand by incorporating more eco-friendly materials into their vehicles, reflecting a broader trend towards sustainability across various sectors. Brands are now marketing their eco-friendly initiatives as a selling point. Companies like Tesla and Toyota have made sustainability a core part of their brand identity, attracting a loyal customer base that values environmental responsibility. This shift in consumer preferences is not just a passing trend. It represents a fundamental change in the way people view their purchases. Consumers are becoming more conscious of the impact their choices have on the environment, and they are willing to invest in products that align with their values. The market for sustainable automotive materials is projected to grow significantly. Analysts estimate that the global market for eco-friendly car materials could reach $50 billion by 2030, driven by both consumer demand and regulatory pressures. As more consumers seek out vehicles made from sustainable materials, manufacturers will need to adapt to stay competitive in this evolving landscape. This growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles presents an opportunity for manufacturers to innovate and differentiate themselves in a crowded market. By embracing sustainability, companies can not only meet consumer expectations, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. The automotive industry is at a crossroads, and the choices made today will shape the landscape of tomorrow. Chapter 6. Challenges and Solutions. While the evolution of eco-friendly car materials is promising, it is not without challenges. One major hurdle is the cost of production. Sustainable materials can sometimes be more expensive than traditional options, which can deter manufacturers from making the switch. However, the long-term benefits of using eco-friendly materials often outweigh the initial costs, making it a worthwhile investment. Companies are finding ways to overcome these challenges through innovative solutions. For example, partnerships between automotive manufacturers and material suppliers can lead to more cost-effective solutions. By collaborating, these entities can share resources and expertise, ultimately driving down costs and improving the viability of sustainable materials in automotive production. Additionally, government incentives for using sustainable materials can help offset initial costs. Many countries are implementing policies aimed at promoting environmentally friendly practices, providing financial support to manufacturers who commit to sustainability. These incentives can play a crucial role in encouraging companies to adopt eco-friendly materials and practices. Regulatory bodies are increasingly supporting the shift towards sustainability. Policies aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green technologies are encouraging manufacturers to adopt eco-friendly practices. As regulations become stricter, companies that prioritize sustainability will be better positioned to succeed in the market. Chapter 7: The Future of Eco-Friendly Cars. As we look ahead, the future of eco-friendly car materials appears bright. With ongoing advancements in technology and a growing commitment to sustainability, we can expect to see more innovative materials making their way into vehicles. The shift from plastic bottles to hemp and beyond represents a new era of automotive innovation. Consumers will play a crucial role in this evolution. By choosing eco-friendly vehicles and supporting brands that prioritize sustainability, individuals can drive change in the automotive industry. The collective actions of consumers can influence manufacturers to adopt more sustainable practices, creating a ripple effect throughout the industry. As more manufacturers embrace sustainable practices, we can look forward to a future where our cars not only take us places, but also contribute positively to the planet. The integration of eco-friendly materials into vehicle production is just the beginning. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments that prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility. From plastic bottles to hemp fibers, the evolution of eco-friendly car materials is not just a trend. It's a movement toward a sustainable future. What eco-friendly features do you wish to see in your next vehicle? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this journey through the world of sustainable automotive materials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.